Alrighty then, I'm going to spray a little primer on this baby and get her out of here and clean the garage up and call it a day. It's a beautiful day. Boy, I've really enjoyed it. But that's enough for one day. Enough welding and grinding and welding and grinding. I can come back to that later. I might even throw a little Bondo in there and get completely fancy. You never know. I have been known to do stranger things. Quite frequently, actually. So I was looking around on the shelf for what I had for primer, and I ran across this stuff. Ironclad metal and wood primer. Interior or exterior. That is older than the cat's pajamas right there. I mean, that's been around for a long time. I wouldn't be surprised if that wasn't something that my dad had. Wonder if it still works. We'll give it a try. Alrighty then, we'll call that good. I'll get back to this another day. I got enough primer on there to keep the rainwater from sinking down into the fresh metal. Wee doggies.